defining my target group, it has to be very narrow. Basically, I have to niche down quite a lot. Previously, I learned that I am a wounded healer, and that healing this wound is the result that I want to give to my clients, my fashion brand. There are 5 questions that I need to answer, and I have to answer these from the perspective of a wounded healer, or from the perspective of my pain. And my pain comes from suppressing my true self in order that I do not appear vulnerable to others. But I have since discovered that there is no shame in being vulnerable. In fact, when you are brave enough to be your true self, whether it be vulnerable or not, it makes you stronger. You gain clarity and you gain freedom. What is your pain? I know it is a difficult question to answer, but what is your pain? Let me know in the comments. And follow me on my journey as I launch my fashion brand as life is happening to me. Give me your hearts.